Alrighty, Casey got my boy here working on the First Amendment audit. People respect their freedom to record. Well, that's it.
Good.
May I ask what may be recorded right now?
I noticed that you guys are filming us without consent, so.
Your cameras are encroaching in my privacy.
Making me very uncomfortable, sir. Please turn them off.
That's actually, those are actually can't even have this banner right here.
Well, this is for my protection too, because you just waltz out here very aggressively. Well, I'm scared. We're
I
scared.
didn't want, okay.
Fear for my safety.
Okay. Well, just in case, you're a very strong Bills man. I'm terrified.
I appreciate that. Those have been stationed there for a while. Ever since that they were installed, they weren't really pointing at anyone. They don't move.
Can you flip them like a little bit? The way they point that way?
Not at all. When I say that this banner actually blocks this street view, I'm not lying.
There's no way. If I could see the line of sight of the camera, the camera could see me.
That's not how it
Fear
works,
for my
sir.
privacy.
That is absolutely how it works.
Because I can promise you that it does not reach the street.
If
Show
you
me
can
the
see
screen.
me, you can film me. So
The screen is in my office, and I'm not going to pull my computer away from the office to show you guys.
I'll go in there with you.
I don't feel comfortable you coming in there with me because you
All
guys
right.
are the ones with masks on, trying to
All
hide
right.
your identity. You're filming me. You're making my guests feel uncomfortable because for some reason there's 5 of you just stationed here outside
But
of
your
the restaurant.
cameras and your nose ring are making us uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I'm not going to apologize for that. I can take
For
my
my
nose ring out. I
safety.
can't do anything about my camera.
All right.
Well, we can't either.
yeah.
Equal rights.
I mean, you
America.
can. It's
How?
if you could, I could talk. I can call my security guy.
Oh no, please.
No,
Please,
no.
don't do that. Please do not call security.
No, my head
I have
of
to go home
security.
to 2 girlfriends tonight.
That's great.
I don't want to get in
Hey,
trouble.
you like
Polygamy
money?
is fun.
You like money?
Right, but I don't want no trouble.
Money's good.
Okay.
Great as well.
You know
I
what's
just
going on
understand
in
that
there?
You guys are filming exactly.
Well, you didn't ask us. Ask us.
I did ask. That was the first thing I asked.
Okay. Well, we're just tourists.
Trip in there.
Yeah.
I mean, the trip
He's a
out.
tourist.
I'm a tourist.
I'm just filming myself being filmed.
Yeah.
That's all.
I mean, do you guys do this to every establishment that has security cameras outside of their establishment? Because that's exactly what that is.
We never say that.
Sure.
Only if they have handsome managers like you.
I appreciate that. Again,
You're
thank
very well dressed, by the way.
you. Well with the compliments. Thank you.
I wish I could dress like that.
I mean,
Can you keep your hands out where I can see him? I thought you were pulling out a gun or something. It made me fear for my
you guys
safety
are the ones
there.
wearing masks, and you're the ones
Yeah,
threatened by me.
it's a bust.
Let me call my security guy.
Screaming and shit.
Security guy.
Hey, don't go.
Let's call our
Anybody?
security guy too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, sure, why not? Since
Hey,
you are,
hey,
we might as well too.
Don't do it. You're calling someone, and you can do that.
Yeah, so he's on
I'm
his way,
telling
right?
you.
We need to do that one of these times. One of us dress up as security.
Right.
Show up.
Right.
Yes.
Can you please, sir? Can you please don't? Calling someone else is bad.
So just can you explain what exactly the issue is?
I don't have to.
You don't have to? Okay, well, you don't have to lose them.
Excuse me. I think it's her fault there. I think it's her whole fault.
So
Wow.
you eat on a public sidewalk and you're afraid of being killed.
Whoa. Don't.
They're saying that we have cameras going out there and they're recording stationary
Yeah. If you can see me, you can film me, you know?
and they clean up.
I fear for my safety. I don't know what you're gonna do with those videos, you know, you're taking me when I drove by.
It's like she's filming me, I'm not complaining. Behind you.
Yeah, because you're filming me, so.
That's okay.
We didn't even know you existed.
This is America. We have equal rights.
We didn't know you existed until now.
Yeah.
Get the out of here.
Whoa.
Damn, that mouth, please. Watch your mouth. Crazy woman here.
Your camera's not on your baby. It's right here. No.
Damn.
No.
Wow,
You're not gonna
incredible.
oppress my civil rights.
Jeez, scary. I'm calling my wife right now.
Wow. She's recording too, and that's okay.
Talk to my wife like that. Talking to a gentleman
Talk to me like
today.
a human being.
Wow, it's scary. Made me fear for my safety there.
So I want to make a complaint. Your customer threatened me. Does that concern you at all? It doesn't concern you. Okay, so this
Wow.
man is not rectifying the issue.
Scary.
The customer's threatening me. So
Don't do it. It's really scary stuff. I don't even know what to say. Mom up there over there. Yeah, and a auto there in a quick minute. Hey, go back. Excuse me. You do it. You know what I'm saying? Damn, he's going back in there. He's doing the walkie-talkie of shame there. Double whammy. Entrance of shame. Okay, should I don't? Yup, that's it. That's it. He's done. Entrance. He's done. Jeez, bro. I don't know what to say. I'm scared. Can you please delete the footage? My wife gets pissed. She sees the footage somewhere. What's up, dude? Chilling? Don't do it.
Look at that nice, pretty nice.
He oh shit. My man, dude. What's going on? There you go, the man of the night. We got the man of the night.
Is that Britney Spears?
We get the man of the night.
Hope so,
What you have to
geez.
tell us today? How you feeling today?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good today?
Doing good.
Gonna have some wine here?
A couple shots of tequila.
Oh my man.
Good.
Looking sharp today.
Oh, thank you.
So what are you gonna tell the people that are watching you today? Your fans and everything, your
Go
subs?
check out my daughter Coco Quinn.
Alright, cool. Hey, stay safe, man. The man of the night there. Coco Queen, I wonder who it was. Oh, you know people are gonna bring that up.
He's explaining.
Like that from the beginning.
Oh, that's it. Oh, he went back and did everything no shame in there or what? That's it. We're done. Scary stuff. Couple are gonna show up and I'm gonna be like, my God, dude. That's it.
Too bad we all know it's an automatic and you got to put it in park to do that.
We get the man of the night.
I think she explained it.
Right. Oh, she's cleaning them? I don't know. They're very hostile. Mama Bear was very hostile. Evil lady there. Jeez. Scary. I feel bad for that guy. I wonder if she abuses him. Damn, poor guy, bro. Poor guy. Very aggressive lady, man. I hope you don't get beat at night. Damn. I don't know how can you live with that. Jeez. America, help. What's going on? What's going on? To your 6 o'clock there.
Alright, you guys have a nice
What's going on? What's up, man? Looking sharp.
Ask him what was
What's going on? Oh, I don't know. He was straight.
He's asking our
America, though, I can say. We got a drone there.
I saw that thing.
We got a drone there. That's it. We're done. They're watching us. Know what I'm saying?